Here comes Skelly down the slide. Come to Daddy.
Wait. So he doesn't scratch his toe?
Come on, Skelly, you can do it.
He's gonna like fly over the edge.
I'm gonna try and stop. Oh yeah, I hope he doesn't fall over. Maybe you have to lean him back a little bit so he's laying down.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Skelly! There you go. Here's Skelly. He's playing at the park with his ghost friend, Peter over here. There he is. Hey, Pete, how you doing? You guys are just having fun. Hey, Skelly. Skelly, look at me. Look at me. Skelly. There he is. There's Pete. Goodbye, Pete. So here's Skelly and Pete back there playing at the park. Pete, give a good push, Pete. Come on, give a good push. Push! Good job, Pete. Excellent.
He's a really slow thing because he's just a ghost and he can't really push.
Yeah, Pete's taking it easy on Skelly. He's already fell off a few times.
Ha, yeah.
Yeah, he fell on his head one time, so good job, Pete. All right.
Okay, slow down.
Okay, slow down. All right, all done. All right, come on. Push, Pete, push. Uh-oh. Come on. There we go. Excellent job. Okay. One more push, Pete. One more push. Push. There we go. There's a nice little sunset back there. There it is. Okay. Is that good, Skelly? Yeah, I think he's good. I think Skelly's good. Good job, Pete. Where are you? Good job, Pete. Shake your hand.
Oh, and
good job.
That was Margaret too. Margaret too.
Margaret?
Because they were both weak ghosts.
Good job. There we are.
Yeah.
Oh. There's Howler. Coming out for Halloween.